One of the things that I love about the program is that if you're already a trainer, every single week there is something that you can apply immediately. And if you already have clients, it's even better because you're going to be able to get real-time feedback on what it is that I'm teaching you to implement. So that way, you not only build a stronger relationship with your clients, you're really able to see why your clients are working with you, what changes you can make, how to grow your clientele base in a way that they understand why you're doing this and allows them to continuously support your growth and success as a trainer, as a coach, as a professional. When I started implementing these things with my clients, it was fun because these people wanted me to be successful. These people wanted me to take that next step. These people believed in me. And so when I started implementing in it, they had an abundance of ideas, suggestions, real meaningful impact that helped me continuously mold and polish and refine what I do, how I do it, and how I can communicate that. And if you have clients, it's very exciting to go through this process.